Welcome to channel. It's another weekend for our weekly analysis where we talk about what I expect of the market the previous week and what actually comes to fruition. Sorry for this coming late because I have made this analysis video before, but at the point of uploading, I discovered I had um, audio issues, so I have to fix some things, then work on my microphone by the coming week, inshallah. So I have to drop this very quick and I have to recap what I have said before, but it might not be as lengthy as the previous one. So a quick run before the market opens. Last week I was interested in dollar index having 107.500 as its um its its resistance. So that has been done. 107.500 has been a resistance. So I was watching 106.500 and if you could see a movement into 106 big figure. So 106.500 has been taken. So the coming week I'll be expecting that same level. I will be expecting 107 big figure to serve as a resistance that will take us into 106 big figure, and if you could see a possible movement into 105.500. So that is how I'll be watching this the coming week. Then we go to our GBP USD, which is our cable. Last week I was expecting 1.25 thousand to serve as a support to the price. That means the market price should repel and trade above 1.25 thousand here. So I will see the market price staying above it, and I expected 1.27 thousand, and if you could see 1.27500. So the market price had traded and has delivered 1.2, I think 1.27 thousand is on its way. 1.27 thousand is on its way, and I'll be going towards 1.27500. So that means I'll be sticking to the previous week's bias that I'll be expecting 1.27 thousand to should be met, because it's just some pips away. So I'll be expecting 1.27 thousand, and I'll be expecting 1.27500. If you could see the movement, because I'll be expecting these highs to be taken next, this high here, then we movement into this high. So then we should go to our Euro USD, which is our fiber. Last week I'll be sticking to the previous week's buyers as well, because I was expecting the market price to stay above 1.04500. So I was expecting the market price to stay above 1.0500. That will give us 1.05500. So I was expecting 1.04500 to serve as a support to the price. That will give us 1.05500 here. So the coming week I'll be sticking to this. I'll be expecting this high to be tagged. That would take us into 1.05500, 1.05500. So then we go to our S&P 500. S&P 500 last week I was interested in the market price visiting 61,200 at maximum, but I was expecting the previous high at 6127 to be taken. So the level of 6127.80 has been taken. So before the market start dropping, so the coming week I'll still be interested in the market price taking the previous week's high. I'll be interested in the market price taking this high, and if you could see a movement into 6,200. So I'll be expecting 6,200. Then we go to our Dow futures. Network is back. Dow future last week I was interested in the previous week's buyers that I'll be expecting 45,000. So I think I will be expecting 45,000 the coming week. My network is bad. What is wrong? So I'll be interested in 45,000 as long as the market price stays above 43,000 on Dow futures. So for 45,000 is what I was watching, and my eyes is still on 45,000. But if the market price goes below the consequence encroachment of this BC here, then that is all. I'll be switching into the sell side. But presently I'm still with 45,000. So then on our Nasdaq last week I was interested in 22,142. 22,000, and 22,000 has been taken, and we've seen a new high, and the new high is this 22,237. So this high has been taken. So personally I'm still bullish on S&P, Dow and Nasdaq. So I'll see what the market is ready to do, what interest it has with this level here, but I'm still bullish on Nasdaq as well. So because I've seen some things on the lower time frame, that's how frame my trades on. Then on gold last week I was interested in 2950. I was interested in 2950 on gold, and 2950 has been taken. So the next level I'll be watching is if we could see 2980 or the 3000 level. So that's the level I'll be watching for the coming week on gold. So on BTC last but not the least, last week I was still with my previous buyers that says I'll be watching the market price below 100,000. So as long as the market price stays below 100,000, I'll be watching 95,000 and a possible movement into 90,000. So I think that will be all for now. That will be all. So thank you for coming this far with us. Thank you for being part of the family. We really love and appreciate you. And I'm very, very, very sorry for the technical issue I have. I will make sure I fixed everything before the coming week, before the next weekly analysis video. Thank you for being part of the family. Thank you for your understanding. Really love and appreciate you. A quick disclaimer before I leave: I am not a licensed financial advisor. Everything in this video is for educational purpose alone. The fact that I have my money behind it doesn't mean you have to do the same thing. Trading the forex market comes with risk. So you should know your risk appetite before indulging the market, before pushing a button. You should know how much am I ready to risk and how much am I going for. So this is how I watch the market through for the coming week. Thank you. Bye for now. Be safe and trade responsibly.